Hi everyone, I'm Samantha Boardley, a climate and nature specialist with the SUNCASA Project. I'm here in Dire Dawa, Ethiopia, leading our second peer learning event. We've brought together over 60 partners from across South Africa, Rwanda, and Ethiopia, all working towards the same goals: restoring landscapes, strengthening communities, and enhancing resilience. Already, these efforts have led to an incredible 2 million trees and shrubs being planted.
The Peer Learning event is a unique opportunity to share experiences, exchange best practices, and reflect on lessons learned, from nature-based solutions to gender equality and social inclusion. Here in Dire Dawa, Ethiopia's second largest city, communities are facing flash floods, droughts, extreme heat, and water scarcity, but they're also leading change. Participants had a chance to see firsthand the impacts SUNCASA is already having on communities' lives. At Harle Kabele, we saw seedlings planted in 2024 now growing into trees, transforming a once dry, degraded landscape through afforestation. In Adada, Agroforestry is thriving, with fruit trees already bearing fruit and supporting livelihoods and food security. We also visited nurseries established by local Jesse partners, empowering women to play a central role in nature-based solutions. Most inspiring of all was witnessing the commitment and pride of the local communities. Thanks to their dedication, SUNCASA has achieved an incredible 94% tree survival rate in Dire Dawa.
As we enter our third and final year of implementation, this moment in time is crucial not only to pause and to reflect, but to align actions and priorities and to chart a path forward towards achieving lasting impact and long-term sustainability of our nature-based solutions.